RNA workflows don't usually fail because of bad science. They fail because of complexity. As the number of steps in an experiment increases, so does the opportunity for variability. Every additional step can increase exposure to RNases. Every transfer introduces another opportunity for procedural error. And every manual touchpoint adds inconsistency to the workflow. Modern applications like RNA sequencing demand precision, workflows designed for today's levels of throughput and sensitivity. That's where Ribology comes in. Ribology has improved RNA extraction through specially designed buffers and a streamlined workflow that brings greater control and consistency, reducing variability, improving inhibitor tolerance, and delivering high-quality RNA. Ribology, designed for researchers who cannot afford compromise,